Hello soulmates, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be learning how to make a bow tie with two different fabrics, as you can see. So for the flowered here with me, I'll have the width of 12 and the quarter, more like 12 inches, and for the length I have 7 inches. So can you see that it's 7 inches? So for the plain here, it's 12 inches width and 5 inches length. Can you see that? For the plain, here with me is a doll face, while the flowered fabric is a very light chiffon fabric. So I will just fold it, as you can see, and I will close up the openings. I'll close up the openings there, but I'll make sure I leave a very small open that I'll use to turn to the right side. I'll also repeat the same thing to the plain fabric. Like I said, I'll make sure I leave an opening that I'll use to turn it to the right side. So guys, after I've done sewing, can you see that little opening there? So guys, before sewing, I had to iron interfacing on it. Can you see that? You know how chiffon fabrics can be, especially when it's a very light chiffon fabrics like this particular one I'm using. So the next thing is to notch, as you can see me doing so. So after I was done notching, I then turned it to the right side from that little opening that I left. I also proceed to the plain fabric and I will do exactly what I did to the flowered fabric. I will notch it also and then turn it to the right side. So after I was done turning it to the right side, the next thing I did was to use my hand needle to stitch those openings. Can you see that opening there? I'll use my hand needle to stitch the both of them. So guys, here is it. I also went ahead to give it a good press. So the next thing is to place the plain fabric on top of the flowered fabric and then stitch it all round. Can you see that? So here with me is a little stripe that I'll use to secure the bow tie. So I'll just stitch it that way. Can you see that? So the next thing is to turn it to the right side, as you can see me doing so. So yeah, I'll just move ahead to pleat the bow tie. Can you see that? When I'm done pleating it, I'll use my matching thread to secure it, as you can see me doing so. And I'll also use the stripe here too to secure it as well, and also to beautify it the more. Can you see that? So the next thing I'll do here is to use my hand needle to tack it, just as you see me doing so. Can you see that? So after tacking it, I'll go ahead to trim the excesses off and then also cut off the thread. And finally guys, I'll turn the stripe, or turn it to the right side. And that will be the end of this tutorial guys. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, if you find this tutorial interesting, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the notification bell below so as to be notified each time I upload any new video.